Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to check out the improvements to Roundtop Park, which has a new scenic overlook and new trails. So if you're hiking Roundtop and you're looking for hiking trails, this is not officially a hiking trail. It's the old main road to come up to the top of the park here. You can hike it though. It goes down to East Edward Street. There's nothing particularly interesting or challenging about it. And it comes out here to this new scenic overlook at the top of the actual roadway, with beautiful picnic tables, recycling and trash, new Two Rivers Greenway sign, like I mentioned in my other video. It's part of the trail system now. And here's the scenic overlook. So this is the new trail that they built. It's the Rotary, maintained by the Rotary Club. It looks like they've put markers back up. So let's take it for a hike and see how it is. The old trail was a little bit further down the road here, but it was dangerous. It was falling apart. There were cliffs involved. It wasn't good. Let's go for a hike. I like it. The trail markers are easy to understand and easy to see. Now this is where the old trail was, and if you go straight down it, it actually comes out at some interesting cliffs. Maybe I'll show them to you later in the video. The old sign that was here marked the trail, but it was covered in graffiti. It actually was kind of cool looking. A little disappointed they took it down, but whatever. Come on, Bailey. Now this part of the trail looks kind of interesting. It's a little steep, a little curvy, and it kind of goes down towards the river more. Well, it looks like we have some storm damage here. There were some really high winds these last couple thunderstorms that rolled through, so not surprised to see this, but yeah, the trail is a little blocked here. And again, I forgot to bring the bug spray, so I'm getting pestered here. More trail markers, very nice. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. You can kind of see it. Somebody has a boat in the middle of the woods here. Interesting. Well, that's interesting. There's a really big crater in the middle of the woods here. Hopefully not like a Indian burial site or something. That's the rumor about Roundtop anyway for years, is that it's some type of Indian burial site. Probably not true. Or maybe it is, I don't know. The trail does get close to some houses on the hill here, so, you know, respect other people's property while you're out hiking. Alright, so we've made it to the end of the trail. If you keep going to the right here, you'll end up at the parking lot for the grip and ice rink, which is just off to our left over here. And that's pretty much the end of the trail. Now, on the way back up, if I can find it, I'm going to try to show you guys the old trail, because there's some really cool cliffs up there and stuff. Alright, so we're on the old section of trail right now. It's a little rough. There's some spots where it drops off pretty steeply on the sides there. But I'm going to take you guys down to show you arguably one of the coolest spots on the trail. Well, one of the coolest spots on the whole hill right now.